Hey guys, you're speaking to Jedd from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a bit of substitution. Now, when we look at substitution, remember we're taking a value, so our variable is typically a placeholder for any value, and the examiner says to us that that variable is actually equal to this, and we just replace that variable with the value that's been given to us by the examiner. So let's look at the question together. We've got c cubed plus 12, and they want us to calculate the value for it if c is equal to 3. So remember, c could be any value in the world, but the examiner has been very specific in telling us that c is equal to 3. So the way to approach this is always first write out the question. So c cubed plus 12, and c cubed plus 12, the very next step we need to say, let c equal 3. So that's what the examiner has told us. The examiner said to us c is equal to 3. Now what I typically do is wherever I see a c, I put a pair of brackets. So I'm going to say therefore, so the 3 dots represent therefore. I'm going to put a bracket, then cubed. Remember, the cube is on the outside. We're just replacing the c, plus 12. And within the brackets, I can put my 3. For, they've already said to us that c is equal to 3. Hence, I'm taking the 3 and I'm putting it in the place of the c. Right, that would then equal, so what is 3 cubed? 3 cubed is 27. 3 cubed means 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, plus 12. Now 27 plus 12, that's going to give us 39. And that is as easy as that gets. So that's going to be a couple of marks, 3 marks perhaps, for you in the bag. And it's as easy as simply replacing the c with the 3 and then using the BODMAS and order of operations in the correct order in order to get to the right answer. Right, guys, that's all from me. Very special thank you to our sponsors. They're the ones that make these videos possible, so without them they would not be here. If you're keen on some more of these videos, visit our website, and if you can't find an answer to your question, be sure to send it to us and we will reply with a personalized video. And until then, guys, stay epic.